Hey guys, I had a little accident, but we are back with another video where today we are watching fireworks, but no, they're over there. I see them coming.
Over there. Over there, right there.
Right there. You see them? So this is my brother watching them, and then the fireworks are over there. Where you see that red light?
Right there.
Right there. What?
Tomorrow, we'll have a 4th of July with much more fireworks.
Yeah. And they're gonna be shooting everywhere!
Earlier, we saw like 4 firework waves starting. Like one over there.
One over there, one over there,
And one over there.
and one over there. And one up here where our...
Yeah, up there. You can't really see it, but it's dark.
Oh my goodness. It matched my phone.
It's awesome. They're not doing it yet.
We'll tell you when it's gonna throw. Like, I don't know. Oh, they're throwing them. They're throwing them somewhere. They're throwing them. Oh, over there. Tomorrow's 4th of July, and this is my brother recording me, and I'm recording him, and this is 4th of July tomorrow.
This is my brother. This is my sister.
This is my brother. This is my sister. They're shooting. I don't know where.
We'll tell you when there's another firework.
Yeah. So right now, there's no more fireworks. So say hi, Ellie, to the video. Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hey,
Oh, get the fuck. Oh, sorry.
say hi.
Hi.
Say hi again. I'm sorry.
Hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh.
I see more.
Where are they? You see that flashing over there?
Yeah, it's there.
Over there, see? See?
There's 2 places. One was like over here.
One was over there, and then one was here, and then the rest are over there. Wait, I'm gonna be sitting down, like, to see it. No, we can't see from here.
We're on a porch right now.
Yeah, look. What?
To show you.
Gia is very. Children learn what they live in.
This is our home front porch.
There's more fireworks like that to me. If you can see them. I don't think
Where are the fireworks? Where are the fireworks?
And that one.
I think we will end this video here, maybe.
If comment down below if you want to see our house. We just moved in yesterday. We moved in yesterday,
So, oh my goodness!
it's much bigger.
Yeah,
It's much bigger.
like,
One over here.
wait, switch the camera.